Hi guys, this is Grandma Diamond, or Diamond Grammy. I forgot who I am, haven't been on for so long. But I am doing a video, a short video this time. I just did my last video to tell you why I haven't been on. Make sure you check that video out and listen to that story. Because if it can happen to me, it can happen to you. And people need to stand up for what is right. So, this is what I'm working on for Halloween, and it's by oraloa. I can't say the name right, guys. I have a speech problem, but that's what I'm doing. I ordered some stuff coming in. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys will be excited for me. So I am just gonna do a little bit of diamond painting today on this section. I'm doing the top half, so what I'm doing is this top half right here. So I did this section, and I'm about right here. I am about right in this area right here. So I'm above the house, the haunted house. So I did the first hanging bat right there, and I'm just moving over this way. So I got this section due, then this section over here, and then I'm gonna start my second row. So it'll be starting the haunted house, hopefully. My setup is kind of, my phone needed to be charged, so I got a short cord, and hopefully it's working, because I don't know what's going on with my cords, but it's not liking my phone, so it's not charging my phone. I thought my battery and my phone was dying on me. I thought I was gonna have to buy a new phone, but I found the right charger that went with my phone, but the cord's too short. So when I'm in here, I need to make sure my phone is charged, or I gotta get some kind of longer cord. So the cord I'm using right now is like kind of in my way, but I need to get some videos up. I need to start doing lives. I need to get back in order and start seeing all my friends again and start being happy again, hopefully. But I've been missing my diamond painting. I haven't been diamond painting. But if you listen to what happened to me on my whipping chat, and it's the video before this, you will know why. You will hear my dog barking, because my husband must be coming home. So, yes, because I hear the motorcycle. I was hoping I would be able to do this section with you guys like I'm on live, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to. So I will have to continue this video. I hope everybody is doing well. Plus I want to do some good old snapping sounds, so I have to redo my pens because they haven't been used. But I just want to try and get this painting going, because I got another painting I'm excited to do next. I can't wait to show you that one. But this one I just started, and this one is huge. I should have been halfway done by now, but life threw me a curveball. So please go listen to that story, because if it can happen to me, it can definitely happen to you. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go.